Morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning out. Sun's out. We need a breeze. We don't really have a breeze, but it's relatively warm. It's going to hit the 60s here in Michigan. I think tomorrow and Monday, so that should dry our crops out hopefully quickly. I'm hoping to get into the fields and start running the beans. It's the last 2 days I was hoping to really get in there and start running beans, but the moisture hasn't been moving. It's been cold, kind of cloudy. We'd get peaks of sun, but it just really wasn't, the sun really wasn't shining to dry stuff out. What's today? Today's Saturday. So Thursday I tried the beans. They were at 17.4% moisture. Yesterday we tried the beans. They were at 17.3% moisture. So they're really not drying down all that well at all. We need them to be at 15%. We do not have storage on the farm here. We don't have dryers, silos, pits, things like that. So everything we harvest goes straight to the elevator. Well, in order to avoid dockage and things like that, we have to have it at 15% moisture or below to get it, take it straight out of the field and take it to the elevator. So that's our hang up right now, is getting those beans down to 15% so we can start cutting and trucking. So hopefully today, with the sun, the wind, now I can feel a little bit of a breeze, but hopefully with the sun, the breeze, the little bit warmer temperatures, it'll start, you know, the moisture will start coming down. If it is 60 plus degrees outside with the sun shining and a nice breeze, we can drop easily a point an hour. So I mean, it will drop. If it's at 17, wait an hour, it'll be down to 16. Wait another hour, it'll be down to 15, and boom, you can start rolling. And then it just gets drier throughout the day as you're cutting. So that's awesome. But like I said, we're waiting for it to hit 16. That's the or 15, I'm sorry. That's the problem. Is we're just sitting here waiting and waiting and waiting for it to hit 15%. So I haven't made a video. I didn't make a video yesterday. I started to, and we didn't do nothing. It was a waiting game. We sat around with our thumbs up our butt, it felt like, all day. We did cut a couple trees and replaced the battery in this little loader tractor, things like that, but it's just, I don't know. Mother Nature is relentless. You know, it's a nice day for everybody, but as far as what I need it to be, it's not a nice day. So hopefully it'll work. I did manage to get our hunting blinds up, so that's a plus. They're all set. So when Mother Nature does decide to rain on us, I can go hunting. But other than that, yeah, come along for the ride. Let's see what happens today. I'd say that tire looks a little low. Might have to put a gauge on that before we use that truck. I did get my new magnet mount, so hopefully I'll be able to use some of that today and get some magnet mount footage on the combine, but we'll see. I'll show it to you right now. So this is my new magnet mount. It's fully adjustable. Do it in several different ways, different directions and everything else. I'm hoping this is going to be a better mount than the last two pieces of junk that I bought. So now I got to do this for my grandson. New, shiny garbage.
We're rolling out. Well, it's 52 degrees. Check the field. And from what they said yesterday, it was at 17.6. Today we checked it about an hour ago. It is at 16.6. So I dropped a whole point, which is good. That needs to be around 15 to cut and just go to the wall. And well, we're gonna go check it. We're taking the semi out there right now, and stay tuned. We'll let you know what happens. I forgot to say, hi Axel, Daddy loves you. I'm farming with Grandpa today. It's gonna be a fun day. Very fun. Okay, I love you, buddy. Hopefully you have had a great day with Mom.
Well, we're finally able to start cutting. I've got my oldest son here. Junior's here right now, cutting up some trees. And I'm in the middle of eating my lunch. So I figured I'd give you guys an update and see what's going on from there. As you can see, everything so far is going smoothly. Knock on wood. Well, I've got one truck loaded. I just went and got the other truck. So hopefully we can keep rolling here. We got a nice wind going. As long as this wind keeps up, then the dew, it should be a while before the dew sets in and shuts us down. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to fill this truck up, and I got one more little truck to fill if I can keep rolling. So we're going to try it. Keep going as long as I can go. So while I was trying to get a good shot for you guys in the grain cart and the combine, things like that, apparently at some point along the lines, I picked up grease on my elbow. So yeah, now I've got grease like all over the armrest and everything here, and it's like, where the heck did that come from? So yeah, awesome. But I do what I can. I'm not really a farmer, I just play one on your social media device. There's a couple deer up there, I don't know if you guys can see them. I'll hold the camera on them and there you can see them run. Potential spam. I get a lot of those calls. Yeah, I just called the elevator. They said that they don't open till noon tomorrow. So I guess tomorrow I'm starting late. Garbage. So here I sit with a full combine waiting for my grain cart operator to get here. And they're nowhere in sight. Garbage. Combine sitting still. Unacceptable.